Hi everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing 2 home decor DIYs. For this first project, you'll need 1 foam board, 15 square mirrors. These beads from Hobby Lobby, they were 50% off when I purchased them, and I had these from a previous DIY project I did, so definitely make sure you use a coupon for these. Then you'll need scissors or anything sharp to cut the foam board. Then I'm going to be aligning the mirrors in a square shape. I have the mirrors sticking out of the foam board because this is the base, so I don't want that to show when it's all said and done. Now getting my pen, I'm going to align the square mirrors and make 3 shapes of these and cut them out. Now that the base is done, I'm going to get my hot glue gun and glue the mirrors on top. I've been getting a lot of messages and comments to make more mirror decor for the home. You guys really seem to like that, so I'm making this one and I can't wait for y'all to see the finished result. I did make something similar a few months ago. I did make an octagon table mirror, so I'll leave that link below if you're interested in watching it. This was the last step to placing the mirror on top. Now this is where the optional part comes in, you guys. You can either add the beads like I'm doing here, or you can just leave it without. It'll still be elegant either way. I just wanted that extra glam factor that I love. So you can also put this on your wall. Just add command strips on the back and you have a beautiful wall art piece. For me, making projects like these are so relaxing. I am a new mommy, so I couldn't sit through this and just finish the whole thing like it looks on camera. Mommy duties kicked in. What's something that relaxes you? I'd love to know in the comments down below. And also, if you do make this, where would you style it in your home? And this is how it turned out, you guys. This is how it looks with nothing on top. I'm going to be adding decor so you can see it styled. And I think it just looks so glam. You can put this in your entryway table, in your dining room. It is a perfect centerpiece. You can put this for parties, for weddings, you name it. So just get creative and have fun with it. They could even be wall decor. Just add command strips on the back, and this is what it looks like with the candles on top. You could also use this to add flower arrangements on top and then add candles on the sides. For this next DIY, you're going to need 3 packs of the floral foams, and they come in little sizes because we're going to be building like a pyramid base, and everything here is from the Dollar Tree. You'll need 1 square mirror and 11 flower bouquets of your choice. Using the floral foam, I'm going to make a rectangle shape and then cut out a piece of the foam board so that can be a base for the floral foam. Taking my hot glue gun, I'm going to glue 2 pieces together and repeat this process. This is seriously one of the easiest projects I've done, and it's really quick and simple, but the result is really beautiful. This was my favorite part about the DIY because I'm adding the flowers now, and there's no right or wrong way to add it. It's however you want to do, whatever pattern and colors you want to put, so definitely have fun with it. Here's where the piece of foam board comes in, and I do regret not making this foam board to the floral foam size, so make sure you use the floral size instead of this little cutout piece. It'll just be even better if you're going to be placing a candle on top, because it'll just balance it better. Just adding some more hot glue for the finishing touch, which is this square mirror. And here's the finished result, you guys. I am so excited with how this turned out. I really didn't think it'd be this beautiful, and I did add extra mirrors on the sides of this floral arrangement, so if you want to add the more glam, just definitely insert them on the sides. I didn't do anything special. I just put them on each side, and here it is, you guys. Let me know where you would style it. You can put this for a wedding, for a birthday, for just a decor in your house, in the entryway, a beautiful centerpiece for your dining room table. The ideas are endless. So this concludes my video. Thank you all so much for watching and all your continued love and support. It never goes unnoticed. And I'll talk to you all in my next video. Have a blessed day.